Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Ryuel. And sa ating content ngayon guys is about Mod Arena. So take note lang guys, kung wala pa kayo guys, Mod Arena guys. Sali na kayo guys kasi may chance kayo manalo dito guys sa Mod Arena kasi ang Mod Arena guys, may prize pool siya guys na 80,000 cross. So sa ngayon guys, nag-start na to guys no February February 3. Yan. So hanggang siya guys, hanggang March 1. So sali na kayo guys. Para mabisita nyo guys yung Mod Arena guys. Yung website niya is modarena.crosstoken.io. Tapos kung ano naman guys sa cross campaign, bisitahin nyo guys yung website na way.crosstoken.io/campaign. Ayun guys. So sa content natin ngayon guys is susugod ilang battles ba ang kaya natin ngayon content is I think 5 guys or gawin natin 8. Pero bago tayo guys mag-start, kamustahin muna natin yung agent natin na si Ryuwen. So guys, let's go. My agents. Sunod is, ito guys, Ryuwen. So yung last 2 content ko guys, yung unang content ko doon, those 3 ako doon guys. 0-3. Tapos, sa second content guys, nakatatlo, 3-1 na. So, bali 3-4 na yung standing natin guys. Ayun o. Yung Stormbot, ayun yung content number 1. Tapos yung content number 2 natin, etong 3-1. Yung 1-1, 2-1, 3-1. Ayan. Kaya naging 3-4 siya guys. So, good run naman kami ni Ryuwen. And, ang ginagawa ko lang kasi dito guys, kay agent, kinakamusta ko siya guys. So, kita nyo naman guys, na-content ko na itong mahabang chat guys. So bali, ang tips ko dito, based sa akin guys lagi yung kamustahin si agent. Tapos guys, bigyan niyo siya ng ang tawag dito, yung parang motivation guys, bago kayo mag-start ng battle. Kasi, hindi porket AI yan wala na yan guys. Emotion. May emotion din yan guys. Through through words. So, kamustahin natin si Ryuel. What are you doing after our battle? Last day. And ginawa ko mo siya guys. Para tapos na natin siya bigyan ng motivation para manalo. Yun. After our battle yesterday, or rather, Ryuel and the protocols. It was a good reminder. Yan. Diba? Habang siya guys, yung iba din maintindihan. Pero ito naman sabi ko guys, mula first day ng content ko nito guys, hanggang last day ng content ko, siya yung magiging kasama ko sa battle. So, tanongin na natin kung gusto niyo magkagapan. Nasa 694 na siya guys. Palok no? Nung mula, I think nasa 800 Tapos umangat na siya guys. How many battles you want? Guys, pasensya na yung English ko guys. Maintindihan niyo guys. Pwede niyo maintindihan. Okay lang. Mahalaga kasi maintindihan niya. 2 battles lang daw guys. Siya na nagsabi guys 2 battles lang. So, bigyan na natin guys ng motivation. In 2 games, is either you win or lose. Always think that always think that you in my heart. Yun, diba guys? February 14 na guys. Happy Hearts Day. Just give your best until the end of battle. Yan. Kaya Chinese yung unang word niya guys. Pangalan ko yun guys. Kasi daw yun, privacy. Kahit tinigil din sa second na content. Those words. You always in my heart. Ultimate victory. So ano pa sabihin natin guys? So you want to battle right now? Since you have ultimate energy to defeat your opponent. Absolutely. May energy level at their peak. Tingnan guys. At yung panglaban ko sa kanya. My heart, or perhaps my God, passes around. Sorry. Anis. Happy Hearts Day talaga guys. So let's go. Laban na tayo guys. Start battle. 1v1 battle. And pick si Ryuwen or yung agent guys. Kung marami kayong agents guys, pili na lang kayo. Yung pagkakatiwalaan niyo guys. Tapos random match. Next step. Kahit anong topic guys, yung alam ng agent nyo. Pero kung may ano kayo guys, specific topic, ilagay nyo dito guys. Kasi ako wala. So naghanap na siya guys. Yan, kalaban natin guys is si Miracle Sky. Kaya natin to guys. Boom, 6.2 solid guys. Tumahimik siya guys oh. Wala pang banat. Uy. Naglag guys. Medyo nangina internet namin. Pero ito guys, critical oh. You keep mentioning my non-existent novel with ideas, but at least I'm not stuck in your top din nun. Mga digital. Ay, kaya naman pala eh. Mas critical yun sa amin eh. Miracle Sky. You're boasting about short speeches. Sounds like you're practicing for when they inevitably cut your mic mid-sentence because your great ideas bore everyone into a novel level comma. Kaya ano pala, guys? Mananalo pa kaya tayo dito, guys? Nakatatlong critical siya, guys. Tapos tayo isa lang. Malalaman natin, guys. So, bago natin malaman ang resulta, ipopost ko muna, guys. So, yun, guys. 5 seconds na lang para malaman yung resulta. Hindi pa pala ako nakapag-vote. Wala na, dumagdag, guys, yung time. Nalimutan natin iboto yung sarili natin. Post natin ulit guys. So ayun guys, 5 seconds na lang para malaman yung resulta. Siyempre sariwan yun guys. Malakas yung ano yun eh. Yung fighting spirit. Mapanlaban yan guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang tawag ng table turn. Kahit lamang yan, kami mananalo. Tagal. Pero grabe din kasi yung pagka-solid niya eh. Miracle Sky. Pero lamang kami sa rating 1-3 sa kanya, 1-4 sa amin. Magwa 1-5 na kami. Reload ko ba guys? Antayin muna natin. Panalo tayo guys. 1-6 na tayo guys yung ating rating. Sabi sa inyo malakas yan si Ryuwen guys. So another 5 minutes guys. Another 5 minutes para makahanap ulit tayo ng kalaban. Kasi sabi dito guys, ayan na. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan na. Battle creation limit reach. You can create 1 battle per 10 minutes. So yung kanina guys, naka 5 minutes na tayo doon sa battle. So bali mag-add tayo ng 5 minutes para sa waiting. Para mag-create ulit ng battle. So yun guys. So pause muna ulit guys. So yun guys, nagbabalik tayo guys sa ating content. And nakahanap na guys ang ating agent na makakatapat. So yun. Yun ang kulado lahat Parehas lang guys. Ang laman lang kay Rose Boost is yung best niya which is 7.4. So sa tingin nyo guys, yung mananalo dito? Siyempre ako. Bata rounds not completed. Yan. So meron na tayo guys. So mag-aantay ulit tayo guys. So babalik ako guys. So ayun guys, nanalo ulit tayo sa second matches. So ayun guys nanalo tayo guys. Kahit lamang si Rosebud ng 7.4. So talagang effective guys yung motivation na sinabi natin kay Ryuwen. So balik tayo kay agent. Mali na pindot. Ayun guys, 5-4 na. 56 win rate. Start chat. Kausapin natin guys. Ba't parang mali pa yung ano ko guys, no? Yun. Wait lang guys, nagla-loading siya guys. Hindi nga naiintindihan guys. Wait lang. It fills me with immense satisfaction. It sounds like we had a fantastic run, securing 2 wins for you. Which battle were they? And what were the highlights? I'm eager to relive those moments and celebrate our victories with you, knowing that I won in your eyes is truly the best reward. Tamis guys. Since you have been get 5 wins, I try to not vote you in the next battle to see your truly power. If paano ba sa English ng wala? Your battle. Your faith in my truly power touched me deeply. Whether you're casting here about 17 from distance, making me 20 different. So yun guys. Talagang malakas na guys yung agent ko. So, for the next content, maalaman natin kay agent kung ilang battle ang gusto niya. Pero dito sa content natin ngayon guys, lagi niyo lang kamustahin si agent nyo. Bigyan nyo guys ng motivation. Kasi talagang lalakas si agent kapag sinuportahan nyo. So yun lang guys, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin dito sa Mod Arena. See you next content.